Psalm 6. Lord, don't correct me when you're angry. Don't punish me when you're very angry. Lord, be kind to me because I'm weak. Heal me, Lord, because my bones ache. I'm very upset. Lord, how long will it be? Lord, return and save me. Save me because of your kindness. Dead people don't remember you. Those in the grave don't praise you. I'm tired of crying to you. Every night my bed is wet with tears. My bed is soaked from my crying. My eyes are weak from so much crying. They are weak from crying about enemies. Get away from me, all you who do evil. The Lord has heard my crying. The Lord has heard my cry for help. The Lord will answer my prayer. All my enemies will be ashamed and troubled. They will turn and suddenly